World Health Organization Chief Tedros Adhanom has warned that the coronavirus pandemic is speeding up as countries ease their lockdown rules. Speaking at a briefing in Geneva, the WHO chief has said that the worst is still to come from the Chinese virus pandemic and it is not even close to being over. He also criticized governments that have failed to establish reliable contact tracing to stop the spread of the Chinese virus. The UN Health Agency plans to send a team to China next week to investigate the origins of the Chinese virus in Wuhan. More than 10 million cases have been recorded worldwide since the Chinese virus emerged from Wuhan late last year. The US alone accounts for more than 1/4 of all confirmed cases, with nearly 126,000 deaths.
The worst is yet to come. I'm sorry to say that, but with this kind of environment and condition, we fear the worst. Although many countries have made some progress globally.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.